There was a mission in downtown Cleveland today to save a tree that almost fell victim to the wind. Andrew Horensky now live in Public Square to explain. Andrew, good evening.
Good evening to you, Russ. You could call it the leaning tree of Cleveland and blame it on this wind, which really still has not let up, nearly knocking over the centerpiece of Winterfest. Police sent the alert this morning that a tree could be coming down, tilting to the point that Public Square closed to people in cars. RTA rerouted.
How many people you got over there? About 30? That's our taxpayers' money going to waste like that?
All while Jerome Nash looked on, wondering why it wasn't fastened better.
They could be working on something else.
And Cleveland's wasn't the wind's only victim today. Look at Canton's. The trunk snapped. Though Cleveland's was fixed fairly fast, with blocks at the bottom that looked like cement presents. The Downtown Cleveland Alliance confirming that Winterfest is still on, as planned, this Saturday, tree and all. So a story with a happy ending, Russ. Winterfest begins on Saturday at 3 o'clock. The tree lighting and the fireworks are at 6. Skating starts in the morning and is all day long. Bring a coat.
Bring a coat. You look a little chilly out there, Andrew. So stay warm, get inside. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks so much.